Hello everyone, this is Lata Abdullah. In this video, we are going to study about another cell organelle, that is the cytoskeleton. Here, this cytoskeleton, it is present within the cell. What we know about the skeleton in our body? The skeleton in our body that provides some strength, rigidity, shape, like that. The cytoskeleton also provide structural framework for the cell. And here it is made up of minute filamentous and tubular structures are present. Different types of structures were present, and these cytoskeletons were present only in the eukaryotic cells and absent in the prokaryotes. And the function of these cytoskeletons was they provide mechanical support and rigidity and motility. They helps in the motility, that is the movement of the cell, and also for the maintenance of proper shape of the cell. For all these, the cytoskeleton is required for the cell. And these cytoskeleton, they consist of three structures. They were microtubules, microfilaments, and intermediate filaments. Microtubules, microfilaments, and intermediate filaments are the three different kinds of cytoskeletons. And now we'll see the one by one and each the properties of these cytoskeletons. You see the first one, that is the microtubules, and these microtubules, they are present in the cytoplasmic matrix. Within the cell there is a cytoplasmic matrix is present. In that there is a network-like structure is present, and also not only in the cytoplasmic matrix, they are also present in the cilia, flagella, and basal bodies. These basal bodies were present in the flagella structure, and they helps in the mitotic apparatus also. Mitotic apparatus means what? Spindle fibers, astral formation. For that also these microtubules were involved, and these microtubules were absent in the prokaryotic cell, only present in the eukaryotic cell. And this microtubule, if you see the structure, it is a hollow tubular structure, just like the tube. It is a hollow tubular structure, and that means inside there is a cavity is present, and which is unbranched without having any branches. You see the diameter of this hollow tubular structure, it is a 25 nanometers in diameter, and it is a hollow structure, right? Hence inside there is a lumen or core is present, and it's the diameter of the core or lumen is 15 nanometers. And this the border of this microtubule, it consists of 13 parallel protofilaments. How many are present? 13 parallel protofilaments are present, and these each protofilament that consists of see this is one protofilament. Like that 13 protofilaments, they form the microtubule, and these protofilaments, they consist of alpha beta, like that alternately they are arranged. Alpha, beta, and subunits are present, and which are made up of tubulin protein. So what kind of the protein is present in the microtubules? That is tubulin protein is present in the microtubules. This alpha and beta, that is a dimeric structure which is made up of a tubulin protein. And the assembly and disassembly of these microtubules are involved. The GTP, the concentration of the GTP and calcium ions, that determines the assembly and disassembly of the microtubules. If the concentration of the GTP and the calcium ions were low, that will be disassembled. Again, if there is a concentration of the GTP and calcium ions were increased, that will be again assembled. We see the functions of this microtubules. So where they are present, we have already studied during the mitotic apparatus. What are they? The formation of the spindle fibers and astral disc formation. These microfilaments are involved, and not only that, they helps in the motility. The motility, what are the organelles for the motility? Cilia and flagella. The cilia and flagella are made up of microfilaments, microtubules only, and the shape, rigidity, and they provide the proper shape to the cell and rigidity to the cell, and helps in the movement of the cell, that is cell motility. And For the anaphasic movement of the chromosomes, during the anaphase, what will happen? The chromosomes will be moved to the opposite ends. So because for that anaphasic movements are also microtubules were involved, and intercellular transport of the nutrients and ions. So within the cell, there may be the supply of nutrients and ions will be required to the different cell organelles. For that, for the transport, these microtubules were involved, and not only that, the position of the cell plate is also determined by the microtubules. It is a formation of the cell plate takes place during the cell division. During the division of two cells, there is a cell plate formation takes place. That is also determined by the microtubules only. And then second one is the microfilaments. The second one is microfilaments. Here, the microfilaments, these are solid and unbranched like the microtubules only, but these are rod-like structures. Here, this microtubule, it is a hollow structure, right? So it is a hollow structure, but whereas this is a rod-like structure. This is a rod-like structure, and it consists of globular protein called actin, and there is one more protein is also present which is called as filamentous protein, that is nothing but the myosin. So what kind of the proteins were present? Globular proteins. In the muscle cells, there is a myosin is also present. That is the filamentous protein. And here, there is a microfilaments. This is a monomer. Several monomers together form the polymer. These polymers connected to form a filament-like structure, which is nothing but the microfilament. If you see the diameter of this microfilament, it is 6 to 7 nanometers. And what is its diameter? 25 nanometers. And this is 6 to 7 nanometers in diameter. And here these microfilaments, they form the network within the cytoplasm, and which is also associated with the plasma membrane also. It is also connected to the plasma membrane. And during the muscle contraction, what happens? This myosin is present, right? Filamentous protein. This myosin will walk along the actin. This myosin will act along the actin. And if we see the functions, there is a microfilament that supports the plasma membrane. What is its function? It gives a support to the plasma membrane. PL means plasma membrane. And this helps in the cytoplasmic streaming and amoeboid movement. In protozoans, we will see the amoeboid movement and pseudopodial formation, and all these are involved because of the microfilaments. The pseudopodial formation takes place in the amoeba is because of the microfilaments only. And the formation of cleavage. During the cell division, there is a cleavage is formed within the cell, and helps in the cell division. That cleavage formation or furrow formation is also because of the microfilament only. And the last one is the intermediate filament. The name itself indicates intermediate. It is in between the microtubules and microfilaments. The diameter of the intermediate filaments is in between this microtubules and microfilaments. And if you see the diameter, it is 10 to 12 nanometers, and it is slightly thicker than this microfilaments but smaller than the microtubules. And these intermediate filaments, they consist of keratin proteins, and these are present actually now up to now what we have studied, these cytoskeletons are present within the cytoplasm, but these intermediate filaments, they are also present in the nuclear lamina. They are present in the nuclear lamina and also in the cytoplasm also. And these are found in the hair, scales, fingernails, and also wherever the keratin formation takes place, in that regions, these intermediate filaments are present. And these intermediate filaments, they bear some tension, and also they helps in that they anchor the nucleus within the place, and not only the nucleus and other cell organelles also present in the cytoplasm within the place. So this is about the intermediate filaments. So what we have studied, different types of cytoskeletons. The microtubules, its diameter is 25 nanometers and contain protein called as a tubulin. And whereas the microfilaments, the diameter is 6 to 7 nanometers, that contain proteins, actin, and also in the muscle cells the myosin is also present. And the intermediate filaments, its diameter is 10 to 12 nanometers. And this is about the cytoskeleton. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel Lata Agla Biology Tutorial. Please keep watching.